Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to view your friends' upcoming birthdays on Facebook using your PC. Whether you want to wish your friends on this special day or just keep track of who's celebrating, I've got you covered. So let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged in into your Facebook account. Once you're on the home page, head over to the left side of the screen. You'll see an options like feed, marketplace, video, messenger, and so on. Scroll down until you find events and click on it. After clicking on events, you'll be taken to the events page. This is where you can see all the events you're invited to, events you've created, and most importantly, upcoming birthdays. Now look over to the left hand side or the left sidebar and find the birthdays. Then click on it, and here we are. This is the page where Facebook lists all of your friends' upcoming birthdays. You can see whose birthday is today, tomorrow, and in the coming days. It's a great way to keep track and make sure you don't miss any important birthdays. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.